Hi, Dave Waters from Fyne Audio and welcome to our facility here in Bellshill, Glasgow. People make comments to us that it appears that we have a lot of models in our product portfolio. Effectively we've got, I suppose, 9 different product ranges, but if we can really kind of shrink that down to, I suppose, 3 different categories, all of them utilise our 3 core technologies which were originally developed from the outset from our F1 series that Dr. Paul designed, our ISOFlare point source driver, the Fyne flute suspension and the bass tracked port system was all developed with our flagship product in mind. What we've done over time is we've trickled that down into different product ranges, and we've recently launched a brand new entry-level product range which is our F500 series. If we take the category of products that we have F500 Hi-Fi series, we have F700 and F1 audiophile series, and then we have the vintage and classic. So effectively we've got 3 product ranges, but they've got different product types within each category. Our new F500E series is our new entry-level product range, which incorporates all those 3 core technologies that we've trickled down from our flagship F1 series. We have a new designed 6-inch ISOFlare drive unit on the new F501E floor stander. We also do a bookshelf which has got a new 5-inch ISOFlare driver. The floor standing tower has got 2 mid-bass drivers and the ISOFlare point source driver at the top. So the mid-bass and the HF comes from here, and then the additional low frequency comes from the second drive unit, and then we port it in the bottom and we have this Tractrix profile which dissipates the energy into the room in a very even manner. The next product that we launched, recently just launched, is the new 500S model, and it's a range. There are 3 or 4 different products in that range. What's the difference? They look quite similar. The difference between the E and the S model, the E model is black only and has a titanium HF driver in the ISOFlare drive unit design, whereas the S model, we've got 3 wood finishes, one with this beautiful walnut veneer that we have a gloss black finish and a black oak finish. It looks the same, but it's a slightly different design because the HF unit in the S model is a magnesium drive unit for the HF design. And we also have a presence adjustment on the back of here. So the S model has got added features: the presence adjustment, different cabinet design, and a different HF driver for the ISOFlare drive unit. And then in the top of the F500 series is the SP model. So what we've created is a good, better, best. Good for the 500E, better for 500S, and SP is our UK manufactured product, special production. This is the first of the special production product lines. The difference between these two now, the S and the SP models take all the drive unit technology from our audiophile F700 series. We're still utilising the standard 500 series cabinet, which is a HDF cabinet, real wood veneer and gloss finishes, but it's got the much better drive units over the standard S and the E series. So that's I suppose the hi-fi F500 series. Then if we move up to the 700 series, which incorporates the flagship F1, this is where we go to the more audiophile product range, where we have beautifully sculpted cabinets, birch ply, real wood finish veneer, high quality drive units. The metalwork is at a different standard. So the standard 700 series incorporates the same drive units as 500 SP, but we've got a much improved cabinet design and a much improved crossover. We then introduced recently the new F7 SP series, which takes the cabinet platform from the standard 700 series, but now has taken all the technology from our F1 series. So the special production employs all the technology from the drive units, the crossover, the full cryogenic treatment, all the metalwork, everything from F1, but in a standard cabinet design. It's still a really high quality birch ply sculptured cabinet. We've got 4 different finishes on the 700 SP series. So this is our F1 series. It's the pinnacle of what we do. There are 5 models in the range. There are 2 stand mount models and 3 floor standing models. All of them incorporate our flagship technology of the ISOFlare drive unit, neodymium magnets for the HF. We have the very strong metalwork and the very deep Tractrix profile on the plinth. The cabinet structure is of a completely different level to the rest of the products in our range. This is a beautifully sculptured burr walnut inlaid cabinet design, very, very high performance cabinet. This is the pinnacle of what we do. This is where all of our technology was evolved from and has trickled down into all of the other product ranges we do. So as we've kind of mentioned before, we have got an ISO flare design now for every single product that we have, from entry level all the way up to our flagship. And another important thing to remember, our F1 series is our flagship product range, our F700 series, F7 SP and F5 series SP models, including our vintage and classic models, are all made up here in Scotland, and we're very proud of our Scottish manufacturing.